Hello, good afternoon. I am Kevin from Mahabali Video School. I am graduating and would be continuing my studies abroad in Taiwan in NTUT. So today I want to present my website that I made. It's about a password management website. It is so we can keep our password safe locally and yeah, it's just to keep our password safe locally. So first, let's open Visual Studio Code. And here, mm, uh, connected to Anaconda already. It's connected. And launch. Okay. Okay, so the website is here. Mm. So simply first, as a new user, we won't have an account, so we will need to sign up and create. My name is Kevin. Email address Kevin Valerius at spi.com. Master password is the one password you need to remember so you can log into your own account. It's just gonna be 12345 6. 12345 6. Okay, create account. Then as we can see, it has saved here to the master users. Kevin Valerius spi.com, and we're gonna go back and log in. 6. Sign in. Okay. So this is still fresh. There's nothing here yet. I don't like the light mode, so I can just turn on that, which will switch it into dark mode. And if I want to save, like, for example, Roblox and passwords Roblox 123, you can select the category between games, streaming, social, work, or any others. So Roblox is a game, save password, and you have to show here. It's only gonna show what the password is when we tick the box Roblox 123, and it will save here. Kevin Valerius SPI. Yeah, Roblox, and it's encrypted, so only the user which has the secret key here can access the real password. Or not, it's just gonna show a bunch of random words like this. And if I want to create another one, for example, Netflix streaming, save. It will add another category here. We can select it, game streaming, or another one, SPI. It's for work. Save, yeah, anything, another game, for example. When we click this, it's gonna show two, since there was two, streaming, work, and we can also search for the websites. For example, Netflix, or Roblox. Yeah, Roblox shows. And we can clear, then show, 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 show. And it's all saved in this one JSON file. But what if another person wants to use it? They can see our passwords. Well, no. For example, another user that's in the users, Johnny, Johnny Tas, and maybe CDE, sign in. It's a completely different user, and they have their own passwords here that they can save. If we try to go back to my account, All of my passwords are here, and all of Johnny's passwords won't show on my screen. See? Yeah. And when you want to delete a password, there's a big red button showing delete, and it will have a confirmation, delete, okay. And there's nothing else here. Up here, okay. Well, now let's go to the code by demonstrating it. First, we go into the back end of the program itself. So here, these are just like definitions of some of the files that are needed. And here, this is where the key is generated. First, it checks if there is a file. First, it checks if there's a file for the key. Then next, if there is a file, it will write a new key. If not, it's gonna create a secret key file. Mhm. Then it's just defining the key here. And this is where it reads the user.json user file here to actually know if it's an actual user that has already saved their login. Then hmm, this is the encrypted data. Uh-huh. And okay, this is where it connects to the website or the HTML. Is the sign up, get email, password, and from the file. Then there's the login. It's also get the from the users. And here the dashboard. Why? How can it mm, save to a certain user? So it's all saved into one file, and this is the category. No, this category name, and this is the password itself before it was decrypted into the actual password. Wait, wait lang. Ah, it's all stated here. Mhm. And yeah, that's it. This is for the delete password, logout, and this is for the website. Yeah. Now we go into the HTML. This is like normal HTML. This this is the card for item card here. And yeah, search. This is a search query. And this is for the dark mode and light mode JavaScript script. And this is for the passwords that are gonna be shown. And the login and the sign up is basically the same, just different layouts. And now we can try it on my phone using Ngrok here. Copy. Let me share screen. Oh, wait. So, okay. This is phone here, and we can try opening it from the WhatsApp, email. using just now, Kevin Valerius at spi.com. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sign in. Yep, it all shows here also. Show password, everything works. The categories, streaming, even adding a website. TBCDE, streaming. Here, save password. Yep, dark mode. Where's this the new? And it will show, let me share. Okay, okay, it's gonna show here that it was added ABCDE, and I also can access it from here, but I have to refresh. There you go. Delete, delete. Yeah, I think that's all from me. Thank you for listening, and